back to yet another interesting video on Nancy Artwork. Today I am going to work on something really exciting, specifically on a black sheet. And before I start my video, I want to thank every one of you who have supported my channel so far. It actually feels so great to have you all to on my channel. Please keep on supporting us and share the channel to more and more people who have a creative inclination like you. If you would have not subscribed my channel, you're watching this video for the first time, please hit the subscribe button down below and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that my videos reaches to you on time. For today's video, I have done something really interesting. While preparing a card on Thanksgiving, I have kept in mind that I do something different this time. I am using a gold leaf to give my creative artwork a little different and chic look. Let's get dive in.
Giving a basic structure from pencil and writing a calligraphic font, give thanks, I've initiated my artwork. I'm just trying to thicken up my font to have a better legibility. Once I feel satisfied, I will use gold leaf from Idle Art to put it on a reindeer's horn. I certainly like this a lot because this is like in the form of sheet, and I will pluck one sheet to put it on my artwork. Let's see how. So first I'm using acrylic fabric glue, and I will use a color brush to just paint like a usual paint on the reindeer's horn. Once I feel very satisfied with the glue art, then I will add that gold leaf upon that and press it a little and leave it for a few minutes. After a couple of minutes, I will try and remove the extra gold leaf by either tearing it off or brushing. I will keep on adding more glue to the places where I feel that I have leftover patches and re-update with the gold leaf. To the rest of the paper, I will add some splatters of white color. At the end, I would like to fine tune my artwork with Jelly Roll Gold pen. I forgot to mention that I use the same Jelly Roll white pen to write the calligraphy on the black page. I usually find them very handy when I have to work upon black pages, and that is why I always recommend them. minor touch up with white color brush. At the end, I generally like to give a doodle touch up by highlighting the imperfections on my artwork. I really like doing that ways, but it is completely optional. At the end, I would like to show my art supplies from Anupam. And that's the final output of my today's tutorial. I've added the 3D flowers from Archie's. I really like using stickers of 3D shapes. I've added flowers over here.
So that was it for today's artwork. Hope you would have liked it. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Nancyartwork. You can also use hashtag #LearnWithNancy on any artwork you prepare or get inspired from. You can also comment down in the section below if you want anything special for me to work upon for you guys. Thank you.